Springtime is approaching, and traditionally it's the busiest time of the year in real estate. Something about the spring brings out the buyers, and sellers are only too eager to move before the summer heat sets in. So, future sellers, now is the time to prepare your home if you want it to be ready for the spring selling season. And remember, buyers are savvier than ever. They usually start their search online 3 to 6 months before they walk into an open house. So if you want to get a head start with less competition, consider listing late winter or early in the spring. Buyers are looking, and if they see something that they really love, they might just heart you on Zillow and call me to show your house. Here are a few quick and painless ideas to help you get this prep party started. Buyers are looking for something that is open and uncluttered, so do a good spring cleaning. Give away or sell what you don't need. And don't forget to depersonalize. The more personal stuff in your home, the less potential buyers can imagine themselves living there. And remove personal belongings like family photos, memorabilia, and other keepsakes. Spruce up your home's exterior with inexpensive shrubs and brightly colored flowers. If you can, invest in new paint and carpet. At least new paint in rooms that you most use, and shampoo the carpets for sure. Maximize the light in your home. Good light is something that every buyers want, so clean the windows, change the lampshades, buy LED bulbs, and if the drapes are too dark, tie them back or lose them altogether. And finally, remember, you only get one chance to make a first impression. And increased days on market will drive down your sales price, netting you less money. So don't skimp on photography no matter what you do. This is disastrous. And unfortunately, it happens way more often than you'd think. Furthermore, we're in a market with more inventory than we've seen in the past few years, which means that buyers have more options and the luxury to be picky. So it's more important that your home stands out for the gem that it is. Thank you so much for joining me. Call me, please, if you're interested in selling your home. I'll be more than happy to come over, give you a complimentary home evaluation, and give you some personal tips for helping you to get your home ready to put on the market. So call me. Thanks.